Given the recent levels of volatility and uncertainty, I felt it was time to share our thoughts. Due to the bluntness of the tariffs and the unpredictability of their implementation, we're hoping to see some clarity in the coming weeks as countries decide how to react. From our perspective of how this may impact the economy and by extension corporate earnings, we feel that the U.S. may avoid a recession. We do see, however, an increase to inflation and a reduction to GDP growth. We feel that after this sledgehammer approach to global trade negotiations, we will see much more targeted tariffs. We don't expect an escalation of the trade war because at the end of the day, the U.S. is the world's largest consumer, and many countries depend on their trade relationships with the U.S. for their domestic economic growth. At Premia Global Advisors, we remain committed to our clients. This means that we're in active communication with them. Currently, we're not suggesting making any significant changes to the portfolios until we gain more information and clarity around the impact of these tariffs. We're monitoring news and research constantly and listening to some of the best minds. At the core of our customized portfolio construction is the individual or institutional needs of each investor. We spend much time up front and during not so stressful times to gain a good understanding of each investor's needs and risk parameters with a goal of creating a portfolio that the investor would feel comfortable with during these stressful times. I'd be happy to go over our current thinking in greater detail, so please contact me at the information on the screen.